Biker wave, old dude wizard looking guy. What's up, YouTube? It's WIGSLY, and I am damn glad to have you here. This episode is brought to you in part, as always, by Boomer's Bike Shop in Waterford, Michigan on Dixie Highway. Boomer put me on my Harley, and he can put you on one too. Go see Boomer and tell him WIGSLY sent you. This episode is also, I am excited to announce, brought to you in part by TJ Brutal Customs. These grips that I am rocking are TJ Brutal Customs. These things are the Malleus grips. Shop TJBC.com. Hit him up at TJ Brutal Customs on Instagram. TJ is a guy I've been following for a couple of years now. I used to have a Honda Shadow, and he primarily makes stuff for Honda Shadows, the 600s, the 750s. And he's been branching out, and I finally saw something universal. I mean, 1-inch grips are 1-inch grips, right? So I hit up TJ and we worked it out, and he sent me out a set of these. And thank you, TJ. These are awesome. These are aluminum billet. There is no cushion. These are metal grips. They are knurled. They're machined. And he does all this himself. And yeah, to me, like, I'm used to like pillowy, cushiony grips. I had grips on my Shadow that they were like the knockoff of the Kuryakin with the, like, there's a pad for each finger, and I was about it. I loved those. I was bummed when those actually didn't work out on this bike, and that's why I went looking for grips. And I'm gonna be super honest about this. I was really excited to work with TJ. I thought these looked really dope. I'm very pleasantly surprised that this is super comfortable. The one con that I see to these is that in the cold, if you don't wear gloves, these are cold. I could see these getting warm, not hot in the sun. We'll find out. Install was easy. I'm very pleased that the left side grip, the clutch side grip, has set screws. There's one here, and one here. I'm a big fan of that. I am not a big fan of gluing a grip onto my handlebars. I get it that that's the way it's done. There are benefits to that, but damn if I don't hate it. I absolutely trust. I just put a little Loctite on each set screw, and you know, made sure they were torqued down good. I totally 100% trust it. He actually so the packaging had, like, each grip was in its own little bubble wrapped container, and inside the left grip with the bubble wrap was wrapped up like a little tube of Loctite. And I looked at it, and like, these set screws are tiny. He gave me like the amount of Loctite that you would give to somebody for like the average motorcycle hobbyist. This is a lifetime supply of Loctite. It's like the thing you buy for $8 at AutoZone. Also in the box, mad shout out. I wanted to unbox it, but my schedule's been super crazy and I needed these out of the box. TJ hooked it up, dude. T-shirts and hats and banners and posters and coffee mugs. Thanks, dude. That was super cool. Biker wave, old dude wizard looking guy. Alright guys, that is going to do it. I'm at Boomers, so that's where I sign off. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell to see new content first. As always, I am WIGSLY, and I'll see you on the road.